Hello again everybody, this is me again, Ashana. We have another job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, Thursday, May 2. The job description for this is we are looking for press machine operator. We're looking for 2 people, and the job is located in Yamanashi Prefecture. So if you are willing to apply for this, the interview is in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. The salary for this, by the way, is from 180,000 yen to 240,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. And Japanese level for this will be at least conversational Japanese. So again, this is a press machine operator position. So we are looking for 2 people. For anyone who is interested to apply for this job, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, May 2, Thursday, in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So please comment down below if you are interested, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. Thank you.